Hi all. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can filter these stocks based on the opening. That is where they have opened based on the yesterday close. So I'll just log into this website, breakingtrade.com. After logging, you can directly click on this live intraday scanner tab. Now, right now the time is 6th of August, 8:49 p.m. and the market is closed on Friday. So now say I want to filter the stocks which have opened gap up on 4th of August. So if I see the market profile charts, first let me explain you what is value area. So this is the pink shaded region is the value area. The upper top is the value area high and the lower one is the value area low. Now this opening you can say Nifty has opened within the yesterday value area. So similarly, if I want to filter the stocks based on the various values, that is where if the stock has opened gap up, that is above the yesterday high, gap down below the yesterday low, above the yesterday value area high, that is above this pink shaded region and below this pink shaded region. So I can filter the stock based on these values. So let's come to the live intraday scanner here and let's search gap up. I want to see which stock have gapped up on 4th of August. So I'll just type gap up here and I can see the list of stocks here. You can see 23 stocks were there which have gapped up. So let's take the example of Nifty IT. So if I open the Nifty IT, you can see yesterday high was this A and market opened around this 30090 that it has gapped up based on the yesterday high. And if I open the candlestick chart so that if you are not well aware of the market profile charts, you can just relate it to the candlestick charts. So if I search Nifty IT here, so Nifty IT you can see this was the yesterday high, third of around. This was the around yesterday high and it opened around just above gap up, above the yesterday high. Yes, yeah, means the above the yesterday high. So it opened gap up. Let's take another example now. Say Dabur. So if I click on this Dabur, I can see the chart here. So Dabur again clearly opened gapped up here. Again, let's see in the candlestick chart. So for stocks, we are all doing the futures chart. So I'm searching for the Dabur August future. So you can see clearly this was the yesterday high around and clearly market opened above the yesterday high and it was a gap up. Similarly, now let's see for the gap down. So for the gap down, I had four stocks on 4th of August. Hero Motocorp, Deepak Nitrate, Cummins India, ABB. So let's take the example of Hero Motocorp. So Hero Motocorp, you can see this was the yesterday low and it opened the below the yesterday low. That means it was a gap down. Again, I'm taking the example in the candlestick charts. Hero Moto August future. So this was the yesterday low and market opened around somewhere this particular area. Similarly, let's take another example, Deepak Nitrate. So again, it opened around gap down here. This was the yesterday low and it clearly opened gap down. Again, taking the example here, Deepak Nitrate August future. So again, you can see this was the yesterday low and market opened a huge gap down was there and then it retraced back. Okay, so these are the two things. Now I want to see which stock opened within the yesterday value. So I just searched within the yesterday value and I can see there were about 101 entries. So let's take the example of any stock. I think we have seen Nifty. So let's take the example of Nifty. I'll just search the Nifty here since I know it has opened. So you can see Nifty future Nifty index has opened within the yesterday value. So Nifty opened here and this was the value area formed yesterday. Now let's take another example. I'll just remove this name. So ACC. So again, ACC opened within the yesterday value area. Similarly, I can search with the above yesterday value area high. So above yesterday value area high, I can see I had 55 entries. Let's take the example from say any stock, say AU Bank, Adani Net we can take. So you can see this was the value area high formed by Adani Net yesterday, and market opened around just above the yesterday value area high. So market did not open gapped up. Neither it was open within yesterday value area. It has opened above the pink top of the yesterday value area, that is value area high. Now one more value we can see below the yesterday value area low. So below the yesterday value area low, Bank Nifty future is there. There were about 8 entries there. So I clicked on the Bank Nifty future, and you can see this was the value area low formed by the Bank Nifty, and market opened below this value area low. So like this, you can just filter the stock based on the opening. So this data is populated as soon as the market opens. So within 1 or 2 minutes, all the stocks are populated here. So you don't have to go search for any stocks manually. You can just come here and type here, and it will be coming. And when you just type here below yesterday value area low, below yesterday value area low, or above yesterday value area high, this data does not change. So say you have some strategy, okay, now I want to stock which have opened below yesterday value area low, and I want to track those stocks only for the whole day. So you can just type this here, keep this typed here, and when the page auto refresh, it will only refresh, like it will only show you this data only, your filter data. So yeah, this is it. So like this, you can just use this in live intraday scanner for the filtering of stocks based on the opening. I will be explaining in other videos how you can use this open drive tail single print. So stay tuned, and if you want, you can subscribe to this channel. I will be posting different videos based on market profile concepts and trading. So thank you. Thank you very much for tuning in. Have a nice day. Bye bye.